how to remove phone number from Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and go to Contact Options. Then, tap on your phone number. Remove the number from here and tap on Done. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully removed your contact number from your Instagram account. If you want to add your number again, go back to the previous page and add the number from there. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily remove phone number from Instagram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.